In this video lesson, we'll learn how to divide complex numbers. So far in my video lessons, I have explained how to add, subtract, and multiply complex numbers. So everything is covered in video lessons except for division, which is about to be covered now. So, for example, the expression 2 plus 3i times 1 minus 2i, we know how to calculate that. We would just FOIL it out, simplify it, and we'd get a complex number. Division is the opposite of multiplication. So let's start out with an example. Let's take 2 plus I over, let's say 3 minus 2i. So what's the strategy here? How do we divide the complex numbers? So if you looked at my previous video lesson, the conjugate of a complex number, then you would know that multiplying conjugates gives you a real number. So I'll show you what this means and how this helps. What we do is we multiply our given expression by the conjugate of the bottom divided by itself. So we just multiplied by 1. That's allowed. But the trick is that when we're going to multiply out the bottom, we're not going to end up with a complex number anymore. And I'll just show you this. You'll see for yourself. So what we get is that our original expression is equal to this new one, 2 plus I times 3 plus 2i, over 3 minus 2i times 3 plus 2i. So the step 2 is to just calculate this bottom expression, the product of the complex conjugates. And we get, using FOIL and just the methods of multiplication, 9 plus 6i minus 6i minus 4i squared. And of course the plus minus 6i just go away. And 9 minus 4i squared is going to be just 9 plus 4, which is 13. So as you can see, in the bottom, we don't have a complex number anymore. We just have 13. So what do? We are going to just plug this in instead of the bottom now. So we still have the top as 2 plus I times 3 plus 2i, but now we're dividing by 13. Now step 3 is just going to be calculating the top, and this is just multiplying two complex numbers, for which I have a separate video lecture. But here we're going to do it real quick. By just foiling. So 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 2i is 4i, I times 3 is 3i, and we have I times 2i. So 2i squared. 6 plus 7i minus 2. And this simplifies down to 4 plus 7i. And this is going to be the top of our fraction. So we've simplified all the way down to just 4 plus 7i over 13. Well, now it's just a matter of rewriting this a better way. That is 4 over 13 plus 7 over 13 times I. And this is just our final answer. Thank you for watching this video lecture. I hope it helped.